she no longer sell the wigs because the margin is very low. Okay, the wigs it is very low. Okay, the wigs, the ready-made wigs, lace wigs. The margin is low, very low in the market for some of my customers, or to sell this because this is the game. They don't know what they are doing in Asia. It's a lot of hair factories are mixing the fibers inside and animal hair inside to make the ready-made wigs.
Price is
The price super low.
It's super low, and so for my customers, low margin. It's because my customer, they don't want to sell very cheap quality hair. They don't like that. They just want to offer the real quality to their clients, which I really appreciate and respect their business. See what my customers is doing now. And I didn't understand quite well for the solving wig. It's like after she sent the video to me, I will share the review to you later. After she sent the videos to me, I was thinking the solving wig is like, is it the clients already have their hair, their own hair, so they just braid it. They just braid it first. They kept, okay. So they just use the bundle to solve on their own hair, So it's like solving wig. So it's different from the ready-made wigs. That's why my customer is telling me that she no longer sell the wigs, which I think is ready-made wigs. That means you just need to put the wig on, and that's it, without solving the bundles on their own hair. So she no longer sell the wigs, ready-made wigs, but to solving wigs. All of these services to their clients is because they are buying my single donor hair, which is very high quality, and do the solving wig for their clients, which their clients love much better. So they, in this way, they can make margin profits because they really sell the high quality hair. So I will show you this the video like this. I will show you, like, you send me this. So I will also this one. Okay, I will also tag her address in the US. I will tag her address in the US. So if you are watching my videos and you really like the solving wigs, which is higher quality than the ready-made wigs, so you contact me, leave the message in the comment box asking for the address. You can go to her salon. You go to her salon. Like single donor hair because she's been buying this type of hair from me many years. So she's loyal and very true to the quality. You guys go to her salon, she will do good to you. If you think because I'm in China, I just ship the hair to the US or to UK, to Europe. So I have some customers salon to share. You go to their salon. So I want to emphasize in this video that the ready-made wigs nowadays is very low margin for a lot of salons, for a lot of vendors who only focus on high quality like me. Okay, I want to offer you some secret. I'm trying to tell you some secret. You know, synthetic fiber can also dye hair now. Do you know that? This is a technology. The hair business, the hair industry becomes technology. Synthetic fiber, the fillers, can also dye color now. That's why they make the ready-made with so cheap. Even they mix in the bundles. If you are interested to see how the synthetic can dye color, the fibers can dye color, you leave your message in the comment in this video. Under this video, I will see how many people want to watch, how many people want to know how the synthetic fiber can dye color. You leave the message under this comment video. I will make another video if more and more people want to know, which I don't really like, because it's not fair. It's not fair to us. We have a very loyal heart to our clients. But you know, this is business, so it's very competitive. So we just focus on part of our markets to serve our loyal customers who only like high quality. Leave the message in the comment. I will see how many people want to know. I'll see you in the next video.